Dear students, today we will study Science Chapter 6 Food We Get from Plants. In this lesson, children, we will learn about the types of plants, plant products, and the edible plant parts. So, we all know that plants are very useful to us. Yes, we use them in our everyday life. Without them, our life would be difficult. We know that there are different types of plants in our surroundings. So, in order to study this wide variety of plants, we have to group them, children, according to their stem type. Now, children, we will study about the types of plants. So, there are different types of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers according to their types of stem and the size. Trees. We all know trees are very big plants. They grow tall and live for many years. Their stems are very strong. They are called trunks. Most trees have woody trunks. Some example of trees are mango tree, neem tree, orange tree, etc. Now the next type of plant, that is shrubs. Some plants are smaller than trees. They are called shrubs. But they are larger than herbs. You should remember this, children. And their stems, it is thin, strong, and woody. Rose plant and jasmine plants are the example of shrubs. Shrubs may look like bush also. Okay, so you can also see in the picture. Now, we will study about herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They are smaller than shrubs. Herbs have very soft stem. So, example of herbs are mint and coriander. Next, creepers. Creepers are small plants with weak stems. They grow along the ground. Example, watermelon and pumpkin. Next topic, climbers. So climbers, they are also plants, very small plants with weak stems. They need the support of other plants. They stick on walls to grow vertically. Very important. So creepers, they grow along the ground, whereas climbers, they grow vertically. So remember this. Some examples of climbers are money plant, pea plant, and bean plants, etc. So you can see this in the picture. Now we will talk about the edible parts of plants. So edible parts, when we say, this means the parts of the plants which can be eaten. For example, we eat the stems of some plants, roots, leaves, fruits, or flowers. Now, these plants may appear thick and fleshy as food prepared by the plant is stored here. Now, you can see these beautiful pictures and you can see the roots, beetroot and carrot, and other plants also like turnip, etc. Their roots are fleshy, so they are eaten as vegetables. Leaves also, like spinach and cabbage, eaten by us. Now, we also eat the stems of sugarcane and potato plants. Not only this, we eat the flowers of cauliflower plant also. We eat a variety of fruits of different plants, like apple, mango, banana, so different fruits which you eat regularly. We eat the seeds of some plants, like rice, wheat, chickpeas, green gram, etc. So different seeds are available in the market. We buy them and we eat them. And they're all seeds. Remember this. The grains of wheat, rice, and maize are called cereals. Seeds like chickpeas, green gram, and kidney beans are pulses. The fruits and seeds of some plants are eaten as nuts like cashew nuts, pecans, almonds, etc. Now, our next topic is the plant products. So when we talk about plant products, that means variety of things that we get from plants. So first we'll talk about the spices. Spices, very important because they make our food tasty. And they are usually dried parts of some plants. The fruits of pepper and cardamom plants, dried flower buds of the clove plant, seeds of mustard plants, etc. are some spices. You must have seen elders sipping tea or coffee at home. We get tea from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee powder is also made from the beans of coffee plant. So coffee beans are powdered. So plant products, are very, very important for us. Next plant product, we'll talk about the oil that we get from the seeds of plants like sunflower, mustard, and peanut. We use oil for cooking food and also to rub on our hair and body. We also get oil from dried coconut. Next plant products we'll talk about medicines that we get from plants like ginger, garlic, tulsi, clove, turmeric and neem. And we make various medicines out of these plants. Next plant product we'll talk about the fibers that we get from plants like cotton, coconut and jute. Fiber is used to make threads and clothes. Jute fiber is used to make sacks, mats, bags and clothes. Mats and ropes are made from coconut fiber. We get not only this but other plant products like the wood, very important, from large trees like teak and sesame. Wood is used to make different things like pencils, tables, chairs, almirahs and boxes. Last but not the least, the paper that we get from plants like bamboo, jute and cotton plants. Rubber is obtained from the rubber plant. We make tires, balloons and erasers from rubber. Hence, we all must plant more and more trees and try to protect them and should also try to keep our surroundings clean.